Hello, good morning students. As you know, in last two sessions we studied surface area and volume of cube and cuboid. Okay, today we will talk about and study about cylinder. Now first in today's session only we discuss surface area only of cylinder. Cylinder means you know. Okay. What is the cylinder? Cylinder having two measurements or two parameters. One is radius and another one is height or length. Okay, both are same only. If cylinder is horizontal, then it is considered as a length. Otherwise, if it is vertical, it is considered as a height. Now, sometimes in a question diameter is given. So instead of diameter we want radius. So whenever diameter is given at that time you have to divide the value by 2, means make half to find radius. And one another thing I want to remind you, we always place value in the form of simplest fraction, not in decimal form. Okay, so keep in mind this thing also. Now, before going to particular question, first of all, understand these three things. We already gone through it, okay, in the table of all formula together. Now, today we discuss only surface area of cylinder. So, there are three formula written. First of all, CSA, curved surface area or lateral surface area, is equal to 2 pi RS, means circumference into h. Okay, 2 pi r means circumference and h means height. So 2 pi rs is very important and this is the only formula you have to remember. Okay, now from CSA how to find TSA, that is very simple. Okay, something to be added. What to be added? Just area of circle. So TSA, total surface area, 2 pi rs plus 2 pi r square. When CSA is used, CSA is used whenever cylinder is open. TSA is used when cylinder is closed from both ends. Okay. So 2 pi r square is added in 2 pi rs means CSA. So 2 pi r is taken common. So it becomes 2 pi r h plus r. Okay. So not to memorize this formula, only CSA and two circles area both are added. Now sometimes circle is open from one end and closed from other end. So at that time not to add 2 pi r square, only 1 pi r square. Okay. So in 3 numbers formula there is a surface area open at only one end or any one end. So 2 pi r s plus pi r square. So it will become pi r taken common, not 2 pi r. Pi r is common, so 2h left and from second term r is left. Okay, so these are basic. Now we go again to question. Now look at first one. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 is 88. Means we are given two measurement. One is height and another one is CSA. Okay, this is quite reverse type of question. CSA is not asked, CSA is given and one measurement is missing, that is asked. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Diameter of cylinder or diameter of the base of cylinder, both are same. Okay, cylinder means base of cylinder. So now first of all we have to find radius, then we make double of radius, then it will become diameter. Okay, so diameter is double of radius and radius is half of diameter. Okay, keep in mind this. So now two things are given, CSA, height, radius is asked or diameter is asked. Okay, so now go to solution. Exercise 13.2, question number 1. First of all, make list this way. What is given, what is asked. CSA equal to given with unit 88 centimeter. H, height equal to given 14 centimeter. Okay, there is centimeter after 14. And radius is asked. Actually diameter is asked, but for V in formula r is there, so we will obtain first of all r, then diameter. Okay, That is not main part. So write down formula systematically and place value of any measurement at its place only. CS is given at left side, so write down 88 at left side equal to 2. Pi's value is 22 by 7. Every time whenever they give, they will give us 3.14. Otherwise, if nothing is given at that time, always value of pi will be 22 by 7. R is not given. Height is given as 14. Okay, so everything is placed there. Now cutting is done. 7 to the 14. Whatever left, I have written again. Okay. Then 2 into 22 into 2 at right side, 88 into r. Okay. So next step become 88 equal to 88 into r. So 88 is shifted towards left hand, means this is simplification. Okay, you know it well. So 88 upon 88, it becomes 1. So r is 1 centimeter. Therefore, diameter equal to 2 centimeter. Why? D equal to 2r. Okay. If you want formula, then first of all write formula and then plus value of r. Okay. How to write, that is important. You just observe how I have written there. Okay. First of all, that equality signs level should be there, and therefore sign should be there in each and every step. Okay. If r is at right side, then at last swap the both sides. Okay. In second last step, instead of 1 equal to r, I return r equal to 1. Okay. So that we can easily apply unit. Okay. Never give your answer without unit. Okay. Unit is very important. Okay. So that is the first question solution. Okay, very simple. Just we place value in appropriate formula and then simplify and make subject to unknown r. Okay, now we go to number 2. Read number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter. Okay, so we are going to make one cylindrical tank. Means cylinder is there, but here you can notice height is given in meter and diameter given in centimeter. Okay, whenever measurements are in different unit, at that time you have to convert any one into different one. Okay, so that both units will be in same unit. Okay, all this work should be done in list part only, not in step or not in formula. Okay. From a metal sheet, means this is being prepared from metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? First of all, concentrate one word, closed cylindrical tank. So closed word is important here. We are going to prepare closed cylinder, not open cylinder. So we have to find first of all TSA. Another important point. Say last statement, how many square meters? So they want our area in square meter, not in square centimeter. So we have to convert 140 centimeter or 70 centimeter radius into meter only. Okay, otherwise you can change anyway, either meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter, but both should be in same unit. So here we will convert first of all diameter or radius into meter. Okay, then find TSA. Why TSA? Closed word is there. And why we converted centimeter into meter? Why not meter into centimeter? Because they want answer in square meter. That's why. Okay, now we go to solution part. Okay, now look here. First of all, I prepare list there. Height given 1 meter, D given 140 centimeter. Okay, D is not important, but just we write as because it is given. So we actually want radius, not diameter. So R equal to 140 by 2. Why? Because R equal to D upon 2. So divided by 2 is equal to 70 centimeter. But we have to convert that 70 centimeter into meter. So divided by 100. So it becomes 7 by 10 meter. Okay, you should convert and find simplest fraction in this part, least part only. Okay, not in calculation part. Okay, so that is very important. And never write decimal numbers, always fraction. Okay, I have not written 0.7. Okay, I just keep it as 7 by 10. Okay, now TS is asked why closed cylinder is being prepared there. So TS is formula is written 2 pi r h plus r. You already memorize it. Okay, so all values are placed. H is 1, r is 7 by 10. Okay, now inside of bracket there is a addition of two fractions. I have written integer also in fraction form, means rational number form. Okay, in for any integers you can write in denominator 1. So now process of addition or subtraction of fractions, you know well, we already gone through all these points. Okay, so how it becomes 17 by 10? By cross multiplication. First of all, 10 ones are 10 in denominator, then by cross multiplication 10 ones are plus 7 ones are, so it becomes 17 by 10. Okay, then whatever cutting possible we cancel it. Okay, but not disturb 10 in the denominator. Don't cut 2 5s are 10. Why? Because in denominator, if there is 10, 100 or 1000, then they are useful for division. Okay, so don't cut ahead. Don't write 2 5s are 10 and then again 2 into 11, 2 into 5. Okay, so just keep 10 as it is. Okay, so now 2 into 22 into 17, it will become 748, 748. Okay, so 748 upon 100, it will obviously become 7.48. So that is the benefit of keeping 10, 100 or 1000 in the denominator without any reducing form. Okay, so 7.48 meters square. What is asked actually in question? They have asked how much or how many square meter metal sheet is used. So we have to give final answer in statement. So therefore 7.48 square meter sheet are required. Okay, I think you understand it well. Actually nothing to understand, just what is given, what is asked, and just using formula, placing value and simplification is important here. Your calculation should be perfect. Okay, otherwise it makes some mistake. Okay, now for time being we skip question number 3. Okay, that is quite different than remaining all sums. Why? Actually whatever material used there, it is thick, so its inner and outer diameters are different. So in this case some uh, extra concepts are used, so we temporarily we skip question number 3. So now we go to question number 4. Okay, look at question number 4. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. So diameter given again, so just make it half. So 42 will be radius, length means height. Okay, either you tell length or height, both are equal here. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level of playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. Actually, if roller is rolled over any level ground, then it covers in one complete revolution equal to its curved surface area. Why? Curved surface area only touch to the ground. So in a one revolution, any cylinder covers its curved surface area equals ground. Okay, means अगर आप ये कोई एक एक्सपेरिमेंट जैसा कर लो ना, कोई एक आपके पास कोई बनाया हुआ सिलेंडर है, इसको एक कंप्लीट रिवॉल्यूशन तक आगे बढ़ाओ तो कितना ग्राउंड को कवर करेगा? तो आप इसको कवर करोगे तो एक रेक्टेंगल जैसा बन जाएगा। कितना? तो इसका एक कर्व सरफेस एरिया जितना बनेगा। ओके, सो इन अ वन कंप्लीट रिवॉल्यूशन इट covers the ground equal to its curved surface area. Okay, but now in this ground it makes 500 complete revolutions. So first of all we have to find curved surface area, then we have to multiply by 500 so that it will give us area of whole playground. Okay, so this is the way, only this you have to understand. Okay, in this type of case only find CSA. After finding CSA, how many complete revolution are there, multiply by them. Okay, so now we go to solution part. Number 4, 3 we skipped. Okay, D is given 84, so radius become 84 by 2, 42 centimeter, height 120 centimeter, and n means number of revolution. It is not useful now, but at final stage we will use 500. And CSA is asked. Actually they have not asked us to find out CSA, but we understand the question and we decide that CSA is required here. Okay, so in some question nothing is specified that what to find. In same sense, in second question also they have not told us find total surface area, but cylinder was closed, so we have found their total surface area. Here we are going to find curved surface area. Okay, so formula of curved surface area written, all values are placed there, whatever cutting is possible we cut there, and whatever left write it again and make multiplication of all these numbers. So we got 31680 centimeter square. Okay, this is for one revolution. Okay, this is the area of ground but cover in one revolution. So how much area cover in 500 revolution? Very simple. So multiply by 500. So if it is multiplied by 500, we got 1584 4 times 0 centimeter square, but in question it is asked in meter square. And even if the answer is very bigger, then we have to give our answer in bigger unit, not in smaller unit. Okay, and at our first session of this lesson I have given you formula 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Why? Square of 100 also done there. And 1 meter cube is equal to 100 raised to 3 centimeter cube, means 10 lakh centimeter cube. Okay, so be careful here. 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 100, means 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. But here we are going to smaller unit to bigger unit. So divide by that relation number. So relation number is here 10,000. So we have to divide 10,000. Why? If you convert centimeter into meter, then in primary you used to divide by 100. And if you want to convert meter into centimeter, then you were multiplying by 100. Now relation is different. Instead of 100, here is it is 10,000. So from centimeter to meter we are going. So we have divided the given number by 10,000. So 40 cancel out. So 1584 meter square is left. So area of playground is 1584 meter square. Okay, so in this question actually calculation is long, and one another thing you have to understand first of all question well, what they are going to say us, that is important. Okay, after understanding only you can decide what is actually asked. Okay, then only you can give answer. Okay, now I just solve 3 sum. Now remaining all sums I have given in homework with hint. Without a hint, not a single sum is given. Okay, so now look at number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Again you notice one thing, the diameter given in centimeter and rate and height given in meter. So we have to convert first of all centimeter into meter. So here D will become 50, sorry, D is given 50, so R will become 25 centimeter, but we have to convert centimeter into meter. Okay, then height is already given in meter, and rate per meter square is given 12.5, but that is used at later stage or latest stage. First of all we have to find curved surface area. Here it is clearly given. Okay, so in hint I have given you these things. First of all I have divided by 2, so R become 50 by 2, 25 centimeter is equal to 25 by 100 meter. Why? Because rate is given in meter and height also given in meter, so is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so radius is converted into simplest fraction. Okay, that is must. You have always remember this thing. Okay, now as 3.5, again 3.5, so it means point is removed, 35 by 10, again it is converted into simplest fraction, so it will become 7 by 2. Okay, so both we got in simplest fraction from given value. Now what are step? First of all, in first step find CSA by 2 pi RS, then cost. How? By multiplying the got answer by 12.50. So whatever cost is needed there, you will get it. Okay, so that is again very simple. Okay, now look at number 6. First of all, see the number 6. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is given. Here CSA is given just like first one. In first question CSA was given, here also given. If the radius of the base of cylinder is 0.7, find its height. It is very simple, just like first one. There is radius was asked, here height is asked. Okay, so very simple. Okay, so I am not going to that hint portion. Okay, just understand. But first of all, remove this point, so it will become 44 by 10, means 22 by 5. Okay, and instead of this radius is given 0.7. Okay, so means 7 by 10. Okay, then only place this value in the formula and make subject to height h. Okay, I just show you number 6. Very simple it is. Number 6. Okay, I have not written there CSA. Actually first one is CSA. So CSA equal to 44 by 10 equal to 22 by 5. Then R equal to actually given 0.7, but we have to write 7 by 10. Okay, then height is asked. So find h by subjecting it from formula of CSA. Now look at next one, 7. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. Okay, inner diameter is required, and actually that is not important for us. Why? Because inner surface area only asked. Okay, sometimes inner and outer diameter are different. Okay, so whenever inner is asked, use inner radius. Whenever outer surface area is asked, find out or use outer radius. Okay, but one question we already skip of this type only. Here no problem, only one radius, so don't confuse by inner. The inner diameter of a circular well given 3.5 and height is given 10. Actually it is depth, but depth, length or height, both all three words are equal. Okay, the inner curved surface area, find its inner curved surface area means CSA. Okay, and second portion is the cost of plastering this curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. We just solve these types of sum. Look at number 5. Okay, there is painting. So after finding CSA, we have multiplied by 12.50. Now instead of painting, here plastering is there. Okay, so after finding again CSA, multiply by 40. Why? Because rate of per meter square, 1 meter square is given. Okay, so we go to that hint part, 7th one. Okay, r equal to 3.5 by 2. Why? Because actually diameter is given 3.5, not radius. Many students make mistake here. They understand diameter as a radius only. They forget to divide it by 2. Now don't actually divide by 2. 3.5 by 2, keep it as it is only. Now just remove that point. So 35 upon 20. Why? If you want to remove point and one point after decimal, then in denominator 10 should be there. If 2 points or 2 digits after point, then in denominator 100 should be placed. Here 1 digit after point, so I have placed here 2 into 10, 20. Okay, so it becomes 7 by 4. But don't divide really. Don't find 3.5 divided by 2, it will become 1.75. Now after getting 1.75, don't remove point, it will waste your time. Okay, so don't do this way. Don't, no real division, just simplest fraction is required. And as equal to given 10 meter is already in meter, radius also in meter, but it was in decimal form, so we have converted into fraction form. Now CSA, very simple, use 2 by RS. After finding CSA, just multiply by 20. Why? 1 meter square rate is given. Okay, so total cost you will obtain. Number 8. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total painting surface in the system. Total radiating surface means total surface area is required. Okay, radiating means nothing. Radiation means, you know, in science, whenever hot thing is there, it radiates different waves. Okay, electromagnetic waves, infrared waves from its whole surface. Okay, so here TSA is required. But length is given in meter, diameter given in centimeter. Okay, so we have to either convert centimeter into meter, otherwise meter into centimeter. Any one is required. Here nothing is specified. Okay, if you want 28 meter equal to 2800 centimeter, then also it is right. Otherwise, if you keep 28 meter as it is and diameter 5 centimeter, so radius will become 5 by 2. And if you convert it into meter, then it will become 5 upon 200. Then nothing to do, only find total surface area. Okay, they have specified here total surface area. Okay, look at number 8. S equal to 28. I converted centimeter into meter. So radius equal to 5 by 2. Why? Diameter is 5. So 5 by 2 centimeter equal to 5 upon 200 meter. Why? Centimeter into meter divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 40 meter. Okay, so simplest fraction we got. Now nothing to do, just find TSA. Okay. Number 9. Lateral or curved surface area, both are synonyms, of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. So we have to find curved surface area CSA. Both measurements are given. Diameter given 4.2, so radius will become 2.1. Then convert it into simplest fraction. Height is already given 4.5, means 45 by 10. Okay, but again we temporarily skip second part of 9th question. Okay, so we will not solve, or I have not given you homework or not solve second part of this particular question. We will solve it when school reopens. Okay, so far whatever or that questions are not solved or not given in homework, that you have not tried to solve now. Okay, and if you want to prepare fair book with this homework, then you can prepare your homework or fair book also, sorry, but this homework should be done in homework book only, not in fair book. fair book is different. Okay, you can prepare now with me and skip some pages for skipped sum. Okay, and in this sequence only, if I start 13.1 first, then write 13 point, then I started 13.5, write down 13.5. Okay, not in order, in this way only. Okay, so now we go at hint portion for ninth first part only. Okay, so R 4.2 divided by 2 means 40 by 42 by 2, 20. Why? Point is removed, is equal to 21 by 10. Okay, height actually given 4.5, so I have written directly 45 by 10, so it becomes 9 by 2 in simplest form. CSA equal to 2 pi RS. Okay, that is very simple. Second part is quite difficult, so we now exclude this from our homework part. Okay, now number 10. It is lampshade. Lampshade means one open cylinder is there. Okay, to cover the lamp from air or wind. Now it is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter 20 cm. So obviously radius will be 10. Height of 30 cm. The height of this lampshade is 30 cm. But one extra thing is here. A margin of 2.5 cm is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Okay, so there is 2.5 cm extra height at both ends, bottom and top, for folding. So for our purpose, height will not be 30, but material's height will become 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, so it will become 35. Okay, so that is different here, because that material is folded from top part and from bottom parts. Okay, find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So we have to find here curved surface area only, because this lampshade is open from both ends. Okay, but this extra thing is here, so we go to that hint portion. Look at number 10. R equal to 20 by 2, 10 centimeter. S equal to 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Why? From both ends 2.5 centimeter that material is being folded. So it will become 30 plus 5, 35. Okay, 2.5 plus 2.5 become 5, 5 plus 30 become 35. Now nothing to do, only find CSA. Okay, so this way you have to understand first of all question. You should you should read it at least 2 or 3 times, then only you understand. And whenever you reading, just prepare list also what is given actually. Okay, then only you can understand the question well. Last one. Student of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of cylinder with a base. Okay, mostly pen holders are in the shape of cylinder only, and it is open from one end and closed from other end using cardboard. Each pen holders was to be of radius 3 cm and height 10.5 cm. Both are given. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitor with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, total 35 students are there, how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? Okay, so here we have to find not CSA, not TSA, because that things means which things, decorative pen holder is closed from one end, open from both end. It is not open, not closed, half closed, half open. Okay, so we have to use that 3 numbers formula. Okay, then it is very simple. Radius is given, height is given, but actually not one pen holder. There are 35 pen holder. So at last we have to multiply it by 35. So in 11, last one, R equal to given 3, S equal to given 10.5. Okay, point is removed, 105 by 10, then it is converted into simplest fraction 21 by 2. Okay, they are divided by 5, so becomes 21 by 2. Now area of one pen holder, not at a time of 35. First of all, find of 1. So I used here formula 2 pi r s plus pi r square. Why? Because bottom is closed, top part is open. So instead of 2 pi r square, I added here pi r square only. So pi r is taken common, so 2s plus r. Okay, it is already written in first page, on first page of the formula portion. Okay, so after getting this answer, you have to multiply by 35. Why? Because 35 pen holders are being prepared here. So cardboard required equal to founded area, found area into 35. So that will be your final answer. Okay, so this way, first of all, again I remind you, read particular question at least twice, make list with reading, then go through this hint. Okay, and keep in mind another two things. In list only, you have to convert the particular unit into another unit if required, and no decimal form in any values, just convert in simplest fraction. Okay, so most of work is over in this list part, then only you have to start and writing formula. Okay, write systematically, that level of equality should be there, your questions and your working should be clear. Whenever you cut mildly. Okay, and whatever left after cutting should be written once, then only go ahead. Okay, so these are the rule, but your working should be clear. Okay, and at last, don't forget to apply particular unit, centimeter square, meter square, sometimes cost is given in rupees. Okay, so keep in mind all this thing. Even then, after all this working, you are not getting answer at that time, just send me your working, means whatever your calculation is there, take a one photograph and send to me. Okay, but first of all, try it 2 times and try to find your mistake also. Okay, even then you cannot get answer, at that case you can send me the image of your working. Okay, I will reply at my convenience. Okay, thank you.